Hi everyone and welcome back to my weekly vlog. I'm a little bit pale today, aren't I? Yeah, I've not didn't have a good night's sleep last night. I probably had about 4 hours. I had a really bad IBS flare up. It was literally so painful. My stomach was like cramping up. Oh my god, it was horrible. I was constantly like on the toilet and then not being able to go, laying back down in bed, getting the excruciating pain, having to run back, and just kept me up all night. And then woke up this morning and again had it again, and I was just like, oh, help me someone. But yeah, it stopped since this morning, and I've just been having lots of fluids today, apple juice, because apparently that's meant to help, and just some toast. So not really great. I've not really had much energy today, so all I've done is edited my weekly vlog and chilled, to be honest. Just finished watching The Haunting of Hill House, which was amazing on Netflix. I know I finished it pretty quick because it only came out the other day, but it was so good, so I highly recommend that if you want to watch something on Netflix. Yeah, but we're going to take the dogs for a walk now. Feeling a little bit more myself. Stomach's not 100% there, so hopefully tonight I'm just going to have a jack potato for dinner, and hopefully by tomorrow I'll be okay. Maybe another mint tea or something, but yeah, it's not good. I've not had an IBS flare up like that for a while, but it's just making me think maybe it might be something to do with all the cheese I had yesterday, which if it is annoying because I love cheese and I don't want to have like a dairy kind of intolerance or anything, but it has made me think maybe I should do an intolerance test. So I do need to look into one. If any of you guys have ever done one before, actually, can you comment below, leave me any tips or anywhere like to look? Is there like a website where I can do it and they send you like a home kit? Also, I don't want to spend loads of money on it. I know it's annoying and it's my health, but like, do they actually work? Do they work? Tell me your thoughts. Morning guys, so it's now Tuesday. Sorry I didn't vlog much yesterday. Yeah, obviously wasn't very well, so I just kind of wanted to just chill out and not do anything and not think about work. But today I'm so tired, but I'm back on it and I'm about to film another Halloween tutorial. I'm doing a trick-or-treat look. So I'm doing half the side of my face as tricks. I'm going to do like a kind of like an evilly clown thing, and then the other side I'm going to do as treats. I'm going to do like kind of cupcakey kind of sprinkle vibes. Yeah, I've not really seen anyone do a trick-or-treat themed look before, so hopefully it's a bit different. And yeah, I think it's already up on my channel if you want to check it out. Here is a sneak peek of the look that I just filmed. It's already up on my channel, so I'll pop a link below for you to check it out. Oh, so just had to go to Asda because I needed to buy some bits for a cocktail Instagram story thing that I'm doing with Malibu. Yeah, just made a really cute cocktail. It tasted delish, and it looked really cute and Halloweeny. I'll show you a picture. You can see that's what I just did. Do you like my little setup? It looks so cool. So I might have bought some Halloween bits from Asda as well. They've actually got some amazing things in there at the moment, and it's super cheap. Like, I bought a lot of the stuff was only £1 each, so I just ended up buying like 10 of the same thing because obviously me and Robin are having this Halloween party next week on Saturday. The day after we'll be moving to our new house. We're mental, literally we're mental. Yeah, so I thought I would start getting some bits for it because it's probably going to all sell out soon. I need to go on eBay and order some more bits as well, but we got a lot of things. Like, we got some kind of bandage bloody kind of sheet things which were tablecloths. We got some kind of bandage things to go over the windows. We've got loads of cobwebs. We got some broomsticks and like axe things. Probably got those. No idea why, just a shove in a corner probably somewhere. What else did we get? Oh, we got these massive skull heads which were £5 each, and was like to put sweets and stuff in. So yeah, we got loads and loads of really good stuff, and all of that and our little shop that we did only came to £80, which was so good. And it's, yeah, we've kitted ourselves out with some bits. Oh yeah, we've got some black roses as well, which I thought was quite cool, so I might hang them from the ceiling or something. Oh, and some black cardboard skull things with like lace hanging off. Yeah, honestly, go check out Asda if you're having a Halloween party or anything, or want some Halloween decor bits, because it's really good. eBay is also really good. I saved a load of stuff the other day, so I need to go on there and buy some bits now, really, because otherwise I'm not going to get it in time. But yeah, so I've just done that. I edited some more videos today. Yeah, smashing out the work. I've got so much work on at the moment, it's crazy. Like, I'll be glad when Halloween is over, because I think I'm a little bit fed up of doing Halloween tutorials, even though I'm loving them and I love seeing everyone's reactions, and I'm pleased like that my, you know, little kind of creative brain thinking outside the box has really worked this year, so I'm pleased with that, and I'm pleased everyone's loved the content and stuff, but my face needs a break. We just ordered loads of our Halloween party stuff on eBay. How much did we spend?
250 quid.
250 quid. Wasn't that bad? We actually got a lot. We got a lot of stuff. Fingers crossed it actually looks, I know, I told them. Fingers crossed it actually looks like decent stuff.
Yeah,
be awkward if it's not. Morning guys, so it is now Wednesday and I just got up early and filmed a video. Oh, I had to reshoot something for a brand, which was annoying, but it's done now and hopefully they like it. Yeah, now I need to go put my face back on and head outside and shoot an Instagram photo and a blog post. Got a busy day again today. So my makeup is back on, I'm styled up, and I'm about to shoot these really snazzy new collection of Moschino sunglasses. I'm all wrapped up, I'm so cold. It's cold outside today. I have just written a blog post. I haven't written a blog post for ages. I think it's just because I'm doing my new website. It's kind of put me off because I've seen what my blog post layouts are going to look like and they're amazing, so I'd rather wait. But I've just done a blog post for Sunglasses Shop, so I've sent that over to them to confirm everything. Shot some misguided stuff earlier. The new Fanny Lickman range is so cool. It's like proper like vibey, edgy, street style kind of thing, and yeah, I got some really nice pieces from that which I just styled up for Instagram, and yeah, now I'm pretty much finished for the day. So Robin's watching The Haunting of Hill House. I told him to watch it. He's watching the first episode. So annoying because like I know everything that happens and all the key stuff that you know at the end of the series which is going on right now, but I'm not going to tell him. I obviously don't want to ruin it because it's such a good TV series. If you haven't watched it, you need to watch it. But yeah, I'm going out for dinner tonight for my birthday, and it's a little bit, well, a little bit late, but I'm going out with Robin's family for dinner. I think we're going to Miller and Carter, which is good because I think I just kind of want some like potato and meat and veg. Something that's a little bit healthy, nothing bad or anything, because my stomach is still not great today. So I thought I'd run myself a bath quickly before we go out tonight. And yeah, I just want to chill for a little bit. I'm going to use these My Mood Nourishing Bath Salts. Not used them before. They've been enhanced with sweet almond oil. And yeah, I'm going to see what it's like and have a little soak. Right, I'm all ready. Let's go out for dinner. Morning guys. Oh my god, my skin feels awful. Oh, it's pretty much stained. I don't know if you can see, I've got some like stained pink marks on my face. I've scrubbed and scrubbed, but like my skin is so sore. I just filmed 2 Halloween tutorials this morning, which I wasn't meant to do, but basically I've got to redo another video tomorrow, and so I thought it's probably better if I just shoot 2 Halloween tutorials today. But yeah, that is the reason why I've only been filming 1 a day recently. Well, this whole time actually, because I don't put my face through too many different products and scrubbing, because I'm really, you know, building up my products and putting glue on my eyebrows and face paints and different things, and using lipstick as like, and eye makeup and things like that. So I'm putting products on parts of my face which probably I shouldn't do, but I am, because it's Halloween, it's a tutorial, you know. I haven't got, you know, I might need a face paint in a certain colour and I haven't got it, so I've been using like other products. But yeah, my face it's not feeling good. It is very sore around here, mainly underneath my eyes really. But yeah, I've just got some Nivea moisturiser on, put a lot on, that's why I'm a bit shiny. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave my skin to breathe today. All right, let's go and edit these videos. They are so hilarious. I cannot wait to show you guys these tutorials. Actually, one's already up, so yeah, it is Casper the Friendly Ghost. It's already up. I'll pop a link below. Go check it out. Hilarious. Oh my god, I actually couldn't deal with myself like looking at my camera and talking. I just could not deal. It's so funny. So I'm finished up for the day. Just watched the second episode of season 3 of Riverdale. So good, love it. And now I think we're gonna take the dogs for a walk. It's so cold outside though. I'm actually gonna have to wear a puffer jacket. It's like freezing. I thought it was meant to be like super warm from now on, and it's gone cold. And you know when you have like one really cold day, you know winter's arrived. Also, I've been finding it so hard waking up in the morning because it's so much darker. It's horrible. And the evening's getting darker. Oh, winter's here. Meh. Oh, that's too many kisses. That's too many kisses. He's so cute. Oh, stop slobbering on me. Oh, look at my double chin. You want a sausage? Yeah, have a nice walk today. Oh. Alright, we finished with the kisses. Please, I don't want any more. It's movie time. You want to watch telly? Yeah! Morning guys, so it's now Friday and I was up and about this morning shooting a makeup video, and now I need to run a few errands. Got to go deliver a few things, and then I might go to HomeSense because I've got a voucher for my birthday and spend it. Yeah, let's hope they've got some good bits. They always seem to. Oh, so we went to HomeSense. I was really disappointed. There wasn't that many good things in there, but I feel like sometimes it can be a bit like that. You go there and it's a bit naff, and then other times you can go and you want everything, and I feel like it was just one of those times today. So I just thought, you know, I'd driven there and I was like, should I buy something because I've got my voucher? But then I thought, actually maybe not, because what's the point in wasting it if there's nothing that I actually want. And then we got some lunch from Costa. I tried a decaf soya latte to see if it helps with my IBS issues, and actually it was pretty good. I didn't have any stomach issues, so maybe I'll do that moving forward and have decaf. We'll try. Then we popped into Next and we got the dogs some food from Pets at Home, and oh my god, we bumped into the cutest French bulldog. How cute is that French bulldog, Robin?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, and it looked like Luna. Oh my god, and she was called Nelly. So cute. And I got to stroke her. And then yeah, I went to Boots and I had to get some cream because I don't know if you can see, you can see, but my fingers are so sore and dry, and I think I might have a bit of dermatitis or something, so I've got some cream for it. Not good. So guys, I'm home. I've been home for a few hours, just been chilling, doing some bits and bobs with the blog, and yeah, now we are off to the cinema. We're going to the new Halloween 2018 film. It's going to be scary. I'm excited. The trailer looks really, really good. I think it came out today, actually. I'm going to the new Curzon Cinema in Colchester. Robin's been a few times, said it's really nice because no one actually goes there because no one really knows about it. And it's just nicer seating and smaller screens, and the food menu's meant to be really good. So I'm going to go there, have something to eat before we go to the cinema. So yeah, let's go. So we just got to the cinema. One, I matched the interior with my jumper.
Which I said you would.
And two, there's no one here. Nobody here. Private cinema. Why not? So just got back from the cinema. The film was pretty good. Not sure on the ending, so I'll let you guys watch it and figure that one out for yourselves. But I felt like it was just a bit of a
abrupt ending.
A bit of a ending. But the rest of it was good. It was like super jumpy, a little bit gory, but it kept me on the edge of my seat. It was very tense. So yeah, it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad. But now we're back with the doggies and we're going to chill. I'm so stuffed of chocolate buns. Shouldn't have eaten loads. Morning guys, it is now Saturday and I am shooting for Miranda's brand again called Monday's Child London. It's a Christmas shoot, hence the Christmas boxes. And we've got her little cousin. Is she your cousin? Second cousin? Second cousin? Because it's your cousin's daughter. Oh, is it? Oh gosh, so complicated. Anyway, cousin's child modelling for us again. Here are some of the Christmas dresses. How cute are they? So sweet. Embroidery is so cool. Oh my god, so I totally didn't realise that all day so far I've been wearing one dot under my eye because I forgot to do the other dot. Lol. Probably looks so weird. Anyway, we're back from the shoot. It went really well. Got some really cute shots. And yeah, we're about to head out for a pub lunch with our friends. So we had a really nice pub lunch earlier and a catch up with our friends, didn't we, Robin?
We did.
I had fish finger sarnie in Errands, which is really good. And now we're watching Errands. And now we're watching Strictly, and then we're going to watch X Factor. We're just having a bit of a chill night, really. With these ones, look. Here you guys. You pop your head then. You watching Strictly? You watching Strictly, yeah? You like it? Good doggies. Oh, hey guys, so it's now Sunday and we just went for a quick little food shop to Asda. We're home now, just had some lunch and we're about to take the dogs for a walk. We're gonna go meet our friends with their dog. So yeah, Luna is gonna love this walk. It's gonna be her favourite one. I think we're gonna go to a local woods. So yeah, gonna get their stuff ready. Yeah, you gonna go for a walk? Shadow? You wanna go for a walk? Maybe a walk? Would you like to? Yeah? Yeah? Guys, why am I so rubbish at vlogging on a Sunday? Oh dear, I forgot to vlog for the rest of the day today and I forgot to end my weekly vlog. I need to get better at this. Anyway, thanks for watching last week's vlog and I'll see you in my next one. And in my next one, I'll try and remember to vlog on the Sunday. Although next week I'm definitely going to be a bit hungover. Oh, peace out.